2020 Fundamentals of Software Engineering and Project Management course. Total attendance register online system application. Team members: Sharon Kangwa, Lois Mwanza, Victor Mwerwa, Rasman Seva, Caleb Mtono. Project presentation team 12. Department of Library and Information Science at the University of Zambia. Project outline. Project outline consists of 6 parts, namely project description, problem statement, procedures and methods, literature review, anticipated outcomes, and project plans. Project description. Project description. The project is more concerned with the creating of a web-based app that can be used to mark a school attendance register to help keep records of attendance safe and protected. Project significant. It will be easy to track students' attendance, save time, and efficient way of taking down attendance records. Less or no paperwork is needed. In the past, it has been a challenge to maintain and preserve students' tutorial details for future use. The app will act as a register to use and monitor students' tutorial attendances for a particular course. We thought it wise as a team to take up the task and come up with a solution on how to track tutorial attendances. Project issues and difficulties. In experience of team members, the use of new software, tools, and integration processes may hinder our project progress. As a team, we may encounter difficulties in coming up with a web-based application because team members lack experience when it comes to software development, and this may also hinder our project progress.
Okay, picking it up from the previous presenter, I'm presenting on the problem statement. The problem statements helps us to address the problem at hand. Therefore, we came up with the problem statement due to the fact that the main aim of our project is to develop a software system which is going to replace the paper-based tutorial attendance register with an online tutorial attendance register, which is intended to be a web-based. Therefore, an online tutorial attendance register helps us to keep records safe of the students' attendance. So the problems which were associated to the paper-based tutorial attendance register was that the paper-based is not efficient enough and that it is hard to keep, whereby it is prone to damage. It can be easily lost due to its inefficiency. Therefore, these problems outlined, they're the ones that made us to give a thought of coming up with something that is going to be online based, something that is going to be tracking students' attendance, and it's going to help in keeping safe the information of students. Due to these problems, we decided to come up with the online based tutorial attendance register, which gave us some objectives, research questions, and also requirements were also given by the customers. So our problem statement outlined what we needed to do and helped us in the solving of the problem that we are trying to solve of replacing this paper-based tutorial attendance register. It made it efficient for us to come up with solutions on solving this problem. So I'm giving it to the next presenter, who is going to be presenting on the procedures and methods of our proposal document.
Okay, taking it over from there, I'm going to talk about procedures and methods. So the things to note here is we'll be talking mostly on specifications and the tire design, as well as the implementation and the measure of success. So when we talk about the specification of the software, you can say that the software has been made in such a way that it's going to have 3 layers, which we've termed to be a 3-level architecture. All right, so there's going to be the web base, the middle part that's going to be dragging information from the database. All right, and then there's going to be a login and logout lectures and all those things. Okay, the primary studies already been said by the previous presenter, and the functional requirements, they're just the same, so I'm not gonna talk much about them since they've already been described. And then talking about the tire design, so like I said previously, you can see that this is a design of the high level view of the thing, right? So you can see that there's a user interface, there's the APIs in between here, things that pull information from the database, and then there's a level of authentication there to keep in mind that not everyone can be using this without the proper authority. And then there's going to be the integration. So the integration part is where we integrate the RSM software with the Moodle database so that everything is being kept in there, so that for self-keeping. All right, and there is the implementation. So the implementation process is try to see if what we're doing is in line with what we got from our clients. Okay, all right, and we're going to evaluate that. And the last part of it is the measurement of success.